Dongguan FNJIA Knitwear Company Limited, since 2020, is a professional garment supplier with their own design team, quality control department, sales department, as well as after-sale service department. Our main products are all kinds of sweaters, kids' sweaters, pet sweaters, scarves, gloves, as well as holiday knitted products. FNJIA has strong supply system, which has over 100 suppliers, including about 10 holding factories. So far, it covers over 800,000 pieces per year, exporting capability to serve overseas customers from different countries such as USA, Germany, France, Italy, Mexico, Australia, UK, Poland, Spain. Now, FNJIA is the gold supplier of Alibaba and global sources. FNJIA is famous for great service, and we valued all the customers, both big and small. Normally, our new sample lead time is 1 week, and production lead time is 2 weeks once the artworks and sample approved. Besides, in order to guarantee the 100% perfect quality of goods, FNJIA has set up 3 QC departments long time before. With 10-year construction and development, FNJIA has won a good reputation from customers all over the world, reasonable price, careful service, and on-time delivery. If you are interested in our company and products, please feel free to contact us. We are sincerely looking forward to establishing a long-term cooperative relationship with you.